day, everyone. We are here today to discuss a type of conic section, ellipse.
Definition of terms. An ellipse is a geometric shape resembling a stretched-out circle. Two-dimensional curve where sum of the distance from any point. Here are the key features of an ellipse. Foci. 2 points lie within the ellipse. Major axis. Longest decimeter of the ellipse. Minor axis. Shortest decimeter of the ellipse. Vertices. Points where the ellipse intersects its major axis. Co-vertices. Points where the ellipse intersects its minor axis. Center. Midpoint of both major and minor axes. Latera recta are chords of a conic section that pass through a focus and are perpendicular to the principal axis. Directrices are two fixed lines parallel to the minor axis that are perpendicular to the major axis.
So, yan na, standard form, yung himuunta nga general form. Ito ang equation is x squared over 36 plus y squared over 16 equals 1. Yan na yan di pag-solve. First thing, igugos ang mga denominator. Since nga nahi, same manera denominator, igka-cancel, igta-times tain. Since same hira, igka-cancel, so yan nahi, times yan hinala. X squared times 16. Copy the sign, which is positive plus. Yan higihap, igta-times ta. Since same hira, 16, 36 na lahat at ibubutang. 1 times 36 equals 36 times 16, 576. Kahuman naman ini nga 576, tara-transpose ta nga diya sa lid para maging equals to 0. Kopya talaan 16x squared plus 36y squared. Since positive nga di, i-transpose nga na magiging negative. So, asyain and pagtarihan, general form.
So, yan naman, from general form to standard form. First, igukupya talaan na yan, general form. So, if 16 is x squared plus 36y squared is kakapitala. Tapos if 576 is aton ta-transpose. From negative, magiging positive hiya. And it next naman, i-divide ta, ngatanan nga kuanin 576. Divide 16 is equals to 36. So, nagiging x squared over 36 hiya. Igkakapitalaan operation which is addition, and 576 divided by 36 is equals to 16. So, magiging y squared over 16. Tapos, 576 divided by 576 is equals to 1. So, asya na yun aton, standard form man aton, ellipse at origin.
So yan na, nabiling tanaan, standard form of ellipse at center origin. Tatbibilngon naman yan na is A, B, and C. Para mabiling taan A, may data formula. Tapos anat A is 36. Aton la kukuhaon ang square root han 36 para mabiling taan A. So, A equals square root of 36 is 6. So, ikaduha naman B. Same process la, square root tala, ay bibingon tala damaan square root han B, which is 16. So, square root of 16 is 4. Han C naman, may tadama formula. So, yung natat bibingon is C. So, C is equals to square root of A squared minus B squared. So, anaton A is 36 minus B is 16 square root. So, 36 minus 16 is 20. So, kukuha natin square root of 20 para mabiling taan C. So, square root of 20 is 4.47. So, yan na. Anaton A, 6. Anat B is 4. And then, anaton C is 4.47. So, before we plot the graph, kailangan tayo mabiling ang foci, vertices, co-vertices, directrix na hen, latera, recta. So, ang foci kay ang aton man ellipse is at center origin or 0, 0. So, ito aton mga formula. So, exasubstitute tala. So, ang f sub 1 is C is 4.47, tapos 0. So, ang F sub 2, negative 4.47 and 0. So, natin vertices is V sub 1, tapos A and 0. V sub 2 is negative 6 and 0. And then, ang co-vertices, B sub 1 is 0 and B. B sub 2, 0 and negative 4. Tapos, makadikitahan, directrix. So, x equals positive negative A squared over C. Kasubstitute talaanay, unahon tet positive. So, 36, and aton A is 36. Tapos, ang C is 4.47. So, 36 over or divided by 4.47 is equals to 8.05. So, makadikitahan negative. Negative 36 over 4.47 is equals to negative 8.05. And last na naman nga to solve is latera recta. So, ito na formula. LR equals to B squared over A. So, LR 2. And aton B is 4 over A, which is 6. So, LR equals 2 times 4, 8 squared over 6. So, LR equals 8 squared is 64 over 6. 64 divided by 6 is 10.66. Okay.
So, to find our length of major axis and minor axis, we have here our formula, which is 2a and 2b. In major axis, 2, we have to multiply 2 and the value of a. And the value of a is, which is 6, so we have to multiply 2 times 6 is 12. So here in minor axis, 2 and b, we have to multiply and the value of b, which is 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So we have also to find our endpoints, and to a sub 1, we have here c over b squared over a. So which is the value of c is 4.47, and the value of b is 4, and the value of a is 6. So 4 squared over 6. So 4 squared is 16 over 6, and 16 over 6 is 2.67. So our a sub 1 is 4.47 to 2.67. So here in a sub 2, we have here c negative b squared over a. Our value of c is 4.47, and our value of b squared is our value of b is 4, and negative 4 over 6, the value of our a. So 4 squared is 16, and copy 6. So negative 16 over 6 is negative 2.67. So our a sub 2 is 4.47 to negative 2.67. So here in a sub 3, we have negative c b squared over a. Our negative c is negative 4.47, our b is 4, and our a is 6. So 4 squared, the value of our b is 16, and a is 6. So 16 over 6 is 2.67, and copy again negative 4.47. So our a sub 3 is negative 4.47 and 2.67. So here in a sub 4, we have negative c to negative b squared over a. Our negative c, as usual, is negative 4.47, and our value of negative b squared over a, our b is 4 and a is 6. So copy again negative 4.47, and our 4 squared, negative 4 squared is 16, and copy is 6, and negative 16 over 6 is negative 2.67. So our e sub 4 is negative 4.47 and negative 2.67.
So now we're going to solve for the HQ of an ellipse. So here we have a problem, which is the x minus 1 over 100 plus the quantity of y plus 1 over 36 is equals to 1. First, we're going to find the a, b, and c. So how are we going to find a? So a squared is equals to, we're going to find the square root of 100 so that we can find our a. To cancel the squared, we're going to use square root. So bring down a. The square root of 100 is 10. So this is our a, 10. Now for the b. Our b is 36. But we need to cancel the squared. So cancel, use square root, bring down the b, and the square root of 36 is 6. So this is our b, 6. Now that we find our a, b, let's go to the c using this formula. C squared is equals to a squared minus b squared. So is equals to, natin a is 100 minus our b is 36. So 100 minus 36 is equals to 64. To cancel the squared, going to use square root. C, the square root of 64 is 8. So this is our c, 8. So now that we already find the a, b, and c, we're going to identify the center of each key. Center. Our center is this one, our h and our k. So our negative 1, i-convert ta into positive. Tapos ang natin k is positive 1, i-convert ta into negative. So this is our center. Now that we already find our center, we're going to find the focus. Focus, vertex, vertices, and co-vertices. First, we're going to find the f sub 1. Our formula is h plus c and k. So, ano yung h natin sa taas? Negative 1. Pero gin-convert, naging positive 1. Plus, ano nat c? 8. Anat k, positive 1, gin-convert, naging negative 1. So, 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. And bring down the negative 1. So, this is our F1. Next is our F sub 2. Our formula is h minus c and k. So, ano yung h natin? Yung negative 1, gin-convert, naging positive 1. Minus our c is 8. Our k is negative 1. So, 1 minus 8 is equals to negative 7. Bring down our negative 1. This is our F sub 2. Now, let's go to the vertices. V sub 1. Magamit kita in formula to find the vertices in V sub 1. That is h plus a and k. Ano yung h natin? Yung 1 gin-convert naging, yung negative 1 gin-convert naging positive 1. Plus our a is 10. And k is negative 1. So, 1 plus 9 is equals to 11. Bring down the 1. Copy the negative 1. This is our b sub 1. Next is b sub 2. Formula again, copy yung h plus minus a and k. Again, ang atin h is a negative 1 naging positive minus our 10 and negative 1. 1 minus 10 is equals to negative 9. Copy the negative 1. So, this is now our V sub 2 in vertices. Now, let's go to the co-vertices. B. This is the formula of co-vertices. H and K plus B. Again, an H is 1. Our K is negative 1 plus an at B is 6. So, 6 dito bubutang. Copy the 1. Ayari. Negative 1 plus 6 is equals to positive 5. So, this is our co-vertices or B sub 1. B sub 2. H and K minus B. Minus na hiya. So, anat H is 1 again. And negative 1 minus anat B, the 6. So, copy ulit an 1. And negative 1 minus 6 is equals to negative 7. So, here is now our co-vertices. Now that nahanap na natin ang focus, vertices, and co-vertices, let's go to find the length of latus rectum. Here is the formula. So, anat copy the 2, an B 6, and 2, anat an A is 10. So copy the 2, 6 and squared is equals to 36. Copy the 10. So 2 times 36 is equals to 72. Copy the 10. Now let's divide 72 divide 10 is equals to 7.2. This is now our latus rectum. And now let's find the directrix of our ellipse. So here. So now let's find the directrix or directrices. So our x, this is the formula. X is equals to h plus and minus a sub 2 over c. So what's our s is 1 plus and minus our a 10 squared, and our c is 8. Copy the 1 plus and minus positive 1 positive or negative 2 is 100 over 8. Positive. So 100 divided 8 is 12.5. So our x is equals to 13.5 and positive 13.5, and x is equals to negative 11.5, because 1 plus 12.5 is equals to positive 13.5, and 1 minus 12.5 is equals to x is equals to negative 11.5. This is now our directrix. And now let's find the endpoint of our ellipse. So let's begin with the x sub 1. The formula is h plus c and k plus b squared over a. So this is our formula to find the first endpoint. Substitute what is our h is 1 plus our c is 8 and k is negative 1 plus b, our b is 6 squared and a is 10. So 1 plus 9 is equals to negative 9, and our copy our 1 plus our 6 squared over 10, compute na silang dalawa, magiging 3.6. So 1 plus 8 is equals to 9, and copy the negative 1, 6 squared over 10, compute na silang dalawa, magiging 3.6. So copy ulit the negative 9, negative 1 plus 3.6 is equals to 2.6. So this is our end sub 1. Let's go to end sub 2. our formula is h plus c and k over b squared over a. Again, our h is 1 plus 8. Our k is negative 1 minus 6 squared and 10. Like this one, 1 plus 8 is negative 9, and copy the negative 1 minus 6 squared over 10 is equals to 3.6. So negative 9, and negative 1 minus 3.6 is equals to negative 4.6. So this is our N sub 2. Next is our N sub 3. Our formula again is h minus c and k plus b sub 2 over a. So 6 our h is 1 minus our c is 8. Negative our k is negative 1 plus our b is 6 squared over our a is 10. 1 minus 8 is negative 9, negative 7, and negative 1, copy lang, plus 6 squared minus over 10 is equals to 3.6. So copy the negative 7 over negative 1 plus 3.6 is equals to 2.6. So this is our E sub 3. Now let's go to E sub 4 using our formula again. H minus C and K is minus B squared over A. So our H is 1 minus 8, negative 7 is our K, and B squared over A is 10 again. So 1 minus 8 is equals to 7. Copy the negative 1. 6 squared over 10 is 3.6 again. Is copy the 7. Negative 1 minus 3.6 is equals to 4.6. So this is our E sub 4. So that's how you solve and find the H key of an ellipse.
Yan na mga naitadyan tanaan atin mga given, atin tanahiya igplot ngahin igrograph. Una an atin F1, which is an atin foci 1. May kita 4.47. 1, 2, 3, 4.47. Nga rin namahan F sub 2, an atin foci 2, may kita negative 4.47. 1, 2, 3, 4.47. Nga din namahit atin V sub 1, which is an atin vertices 1, may kita 6. Positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yadi. Nga rin na makitahan atin V sub 2. Ang atin vertices 2. May kita negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nga rin na makitahan pagtarayan atin co-vertices. So, una it atin co-vertices nga to hit Y, which is magiging igbaw. Ang aton co-vertices may kita positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nga di. Anaton, b sub 1. Nga di naman hit aton b sub 2, may da kita negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Asyiniyaan b sub 2. Nga di na makitahan aton mga endpoints. Unahan endpoints, endpoint 1, 4.47, ngahin positive 2.69. 1, 2.69. So, atin na hiya, ig-ruler. Yadian aton, E sub 1. Sunod, ang E sub 2, may kita positive 4.47, ngahin negative 2.69. Positive 4.47, ngahin negative 2.69. 2.69. Yadi. Adian aton E sub 2. Nga rin na makitahan E sub 3, which is negative 4.47, ngahin positive 2.69. So, aadi ngahin yadi. Yadi ang aton E sub 3 or ang aton endpoints 3. Nga di na makitahan orhe ang endpoint 4, which is negative 4.47, ngahin negative 2.69. So, yadi. Nga doha kasi ra negative. Sunod ang aton mga directrices. Ang aton mga directrices may dakita 8.05 ngahin negative 0.05, which is yada iya han aton x-axis. Maisip la kita didihin 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. So, asin hiya it aton directrices 1 or an aton D sub 1. Nga rin na makitahan aton directrices 2. Isip na doon na makitahin negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Didi. So, asin hiya ang ikaduha nga directrices. Ang D sub 2. Yan na naman ang aton bubuhatan is ililidong tanaya or igragraph. Anat hinimo kanina nga pagplot. So, didihan aton V sub 2 nga dikitan endpoints, makadinamahan co-vertices, makadihan endpoints na nama, makadihan vertices, nga dihan endpoints dama, makadihan co-vertices, makadinamahan endpoints dama, tapos makadihiton co-vertices. So, asya ini, it pagrarap hiton center of origin of an ellipse. Thank you.
Yan na naman, from general form to standard form. Una, igsusurat talaan natin general form. So, asya na natin general form. 36x squared plus 100y squared minus 72x plus 200y minus 3,464 equals 0. Tapos, ikaduha naman, aton ig paparenthesis ang magkaprehas an variable or ig-group tahira. So, 36x squared tapos sidin iya magiging minus 72x. Parenthesis lang gihap. Tapos an operation is addition. And then 100 y squared. Kasi gihap an is magiging plus 200y. And then parenthesis. Tapos negative 3,464 aton niya transpose. So from negative magiging positive. So magiging 3,464. Yada naman at ano na. Solve naman. Igagawas na 36. Tapos 36 i-divide ta ha 72. So magiging 36 in x squared, tapos 36 divided by 72 is equals to 2. So magiging 2x na lang. Yeah. Plus, sige, gadi lang may 100. So magiging 100 plus parenthesis yx squared. So 100 divided by 200 is equals to 2. So magiging plus 2y. Yeah. Tapos kapila liwatan 3,464. Yan na naman, i-expand taan naka-parenthesis. So kakapila natin 36. So yadi x squared. So yan na naman, i-divide taan 2. So magiging 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So 2x. Tapos 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So igpa plus 1 ta na lihat dito. Tapos kapila ang operations addition. Tapos 100 y squared. Hindi naman siya naman bibili nga i-divide na naman to. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Tapos 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Kapila naman 3,064. Tapos igpa-plus ta didian. So gan an 1 igta times tahiyahan 36. Tapos di naman 1 times 100. So magiging plus 36 tapos plus 100 didi. Diretso ta na hiya 36 hindi magiging x na lahiya. Shit, ating kakadi kasi kapag ato nga ni kantalan na kasi yan nga ni, so x times squared maging x squared yade. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So, kaapi naman. Tapos hindi naman atong damahe ikukuan. Maging y na lahiya dida. Tapos, plus 1 naman. Tapos, x squared didihan gawasan parenthesis. Hindi naman atong 3,464 plus 36 plus 100. So, ito yung maging answer is 3,600. Tapos, next, i-divide the heat mga ito hira in 3,600 para makuha tanan aton standard form. 36 divided by 3,600 is equals to 100. So magiging iga-over ta namaan 100. Wala. Copy operation, addition. Then 100 divided by 3,600 is equals to 36. So magiging 36 Hindi naman, 3,600 divided by 3,600 is equals to 1. So, asya na yung aton standard form.
Yan na nama, it atin i-graph an ellipse with a center of HK. So, an atin given, may nakita center nga positive 1 and negative 1. So, yadi an atin pinaka-center. An natin nama vertices, an natin B sub 1, may nakita 11 and negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Asya ini natin V sub 1. Ngayon na makitahan V sub 2 is negative 9 ngayon negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Asya ini ang atin V sub 2. Ngayon na makitahan atin mga foci. Ang atin F sub 1 may nakita 9 and negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ngayon, negative 1. F sub 1. Ngayon naman, F sub 2, may danat negative 7 and negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and negative 1. Asya ini natin F sub 2. Ngayon naman, atin co-vertices, may da kita 1 and positive 5. So, makadi na kita haigbaw. 1, tas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At natin B sub 1. Nga din namahan natin co-vertices 2, may kita positive 1 and negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nga din naman kita han atin directrices. So, ang ating directrices, may da kita 13.5. So, positive, magiging dinhi. Ha, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.5. So, ating lahiya, igro-ruler. Asya ini ang ating directrices 1. Nga dinamahan isa ang ating directrices 2, may da kita negative 11.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.5. Asya ini ang ating D sub 2. Or ang ating directrices 2. Makadi na makidahan atin mga endpoints. So ang ating E sub 1 or ang ating endpoint 1 may nakita positive 9 and 2.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tapos 2.6. 2.6. Asya na ini ang natin endpoint 1. Nga dinamahan endpoint 2, may positive 9 lang ahaw, tapos makadiya ilaram negative 4.6. 1, 2, 3, 4.6. Ang natin E sub 2. Nga dinamahan aton endpoint 3, may danat negative 7 and positive 2.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tapos positive 2.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Asya na ini ang aton isab 3. Nga di namahan aton last nga endpoint which is an aton endpoint 4, may da kita negative 7 and negative 4.6. Asya na ini ang aton endpoint 4. Yun na naman nga natarita na nga tanan, aton nahiya ig-erosa or ig-graph. Asya na ini ang ating graph about an ellipse at center HK. Human na kita. Asya laat ang pag-graph hadto.